What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and I am going to finally clean up my video editing computer. It is extremely dirty. I just took off the primary side panel here and also the secondary panel here so I could get a better look of where I need to use the air compressor. And also took out the front panel. Now the case is from Cooler Master. I don't know what model, but I believe I did a how to build computer playlist. Like I did a bunch of videos, with all the graphics card, the CPU, the power supply, the motherboard, and I also did a video on installing the Wi-Fi adapter. Yes, super dirty. A couple of things that I need to do on this machine is I might upgrade the graphics card. I am running right now. This is a GTX 970, 4 gigs. I might upgrade it to something a little bigger. I definitely want to get like an 8 gig, 16 gig graphics card. That's going to cost more money, so I might have to break the budget on that. Definitely need to add an additional memory module. I only have one stick, 8 gigs. I would like to get maybe 32 or 16 gigs. I think it's going to be a problem because of the Cooler Master heatsink. It is blocking one of the DIMMs, so that's going to be a problem for me. I definitely need to upgrade this SATA hard drive. Right now, this is the primary hard drive, a 1 terabyte SATA. Need to upgrade it to a solid state drive. I have to check what type of gigabit motherboard I inserted into this build. I really doubt it if I have a M.2 slot on this motherboard. If I do, I might upgrade it to an M.2 solid state drive. Primary thing is to clean this guy up, use the air compressor, get all that dust, clean all the fans from the front and as well from the back, and then store it over there to my new setup that I'm setting everything up at home. Super excited about that. And yeah, once everything is cleaned out, insert the panels, hook up the cabling, fix the cabling a little bit, and then we're good to go.